Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's no secret as far as BMW B58 motors possibly having an oil control problem, which gets, oil all gunked up on your intercooler, all in your charge pipe, within the intake valves, vanos, and the list goes on. And what we've seen is that as you increase that boost, those problems seem to continue to rise. So we're gonna fix that in this DIY video. So we're gonna be installing the Burger Motorsports oil catch can on my M340i with the B58. So this is a very simple install. So let's go ahead and get this DIY started. Pop the hood. I'm gonna pull the latch 2 times. All right, first things first, we're gonna need to remove our engine cover off of our B58. Now the engine cover just has grommets all the way through, so you really just have to pull up the front, the side, the back. Once you do that, just lift straight up, and then you can go ahead and remove it. Next, over here by the positive battery terminal, we're gonna remove a T25 right here and then an 8mm. So T25. Remove that, go ahead and set that aside. And then we're gonna remove this 8mm that's right here. So now we're gonna remove the PCV hose that's right here. What I'm gonna do is pinch both sides really good, and then you'll start feeling it click a little bit, and then you can just pull straight up to release. There's 2 little points right here. That's what holds it on. This has this little lip right here. With the PCV disconnected, all we're gonna do is turn it 90 degrees. Just gonna rotate it around. Then we're gonna take from our supplied kit, 3.5-inch hose on the BMS adapter right here. It's gonna go right on the stock PCV hose. And all it's gonna do is just gonna click right on here. Wait for the click. Now you're gonna go into your kit. We're gonna get our BMS bracket. This bracket is going to connect right over next to the positive terminal that we removed. So you got this. But this bracket is going to connect to our Burger Motorsports oil catch can right here. So we're gonna take off these 2 supplied bolts so we can bolt this to this, and then we'll attach it to the car. Set our bracket right there on top. We're gonna go with the 2 first holes. Now we're gonna take the oil catch can and we're gonna install it right over here. All you have to do is lift up this just a little bit, because these are the 2, the T25 and then the 8mm. Just lifting it up just a little bit. And basically it's gonna slide right underneath this. So once you do that, then you can actually be able to bolt this all back together. It's gonna sit just like this. Take our 8mm, go ahead and put this in on this side. Tighten it down just a little bit. Swap over to our T25 Torx, which is gonna be in this one. And then T25 to tighten both of the bolts on the top of the oil catch can. Next, going to take our PCV right here, and we're gonna push it down a little bit, angle it just a little bit, and then you're gonna angle it down this way, and then go ahead and push on the out. So it's gonna go on the out because you're going out of the system, and then push that all the way in. It's gonna sit nice and flush just like that. Now we're gonna take our supplied hose and it's gonna connect right to the car and also to the end on the oil catch can. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this one over, and then we're gonna slide this one back over that's on the car here. Just go ahead and push all the way down. Once you have it all the way down, double check, make sure everything's connected good, pushed in, everything's tight, and there you go. All right guys, install is fully complete. Installing it on my M340i does not take any time at all to do this very simple install, and really looking forward to the much needed benefit that oil catch can will bring. Now we're gonna go ahead and install our cover. The cover works with the oil catch can, all routes the same as stock, so all you have to do is take your cover, line up the hole with where you put your engine oil at. That's kind of the best I can describe to you guys to do that. So all you gotta do is just line it up there. Once you have it all lined up, all you have to do is just push down everywhere on the grommets, and that's it. All right guys, well that does it for the video today. How to install a Burger Motorsports oil catch can on your B58 M340i. Now there's other BMW B58 models that this will apply for you, but I will have the Burger Motorsports oil catch can down in my video description box below. And then everything that I used in this video will be down there too. It's a great maintenance item. You know, I've been running the Burger Motorsports one on my N54 335i for about 9 years now. So it's definitely one of those good maintenance items, especially with a turbo BMW car, and of how these are really set up. As always, you know, just trying to help you out here along the way for your BMW ownership. So, you know, big thumbs up on today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Lots of other B58 M340i videos, N54 335i videos, tons of DIYs on that platform. And I got a bunch of stuff on the F10 M5. So I'm here to help you along the way, try to save you the much needed money to install this stuff yourself. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video.